Hello, everyone. This is Marlin Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to just show you what I do each and every day with Leadsleap, which is a free program, Leadsleap 4.0, and you can get an account for free. Just click on Get Your Free Membership, and then we are giving a free lifetime membership away. And this Leadsleap, I guess you're wondering, what is it all about? First of all, if you're marketing online, you're going to need a way to bring traffic to your website or your program. And Leadsleap can help you do that. Leadsleap 4.0. It's Leadsleap 4.0 because it's somewhat new. It's an upgraded uh, part of Leadsleap, which you can. I'm going to show you what you're going to get. This is what you'll get right here. Traffic to your website. Everyone need traffic to their website if you're promoting anything online. Excuse me. I'm drinking my smoothie. If you're promoting anything online, you're going to need traffic to your website. And bringing traffic to your website, you're going to need to build a list. You don't want to just show your corporate website and don't bring in subscribers to your program, to your opportunity, so you can stay connected with them. The list management part is you can build 10 lists. You can advertise 10 different programs. You can have 10 different lists, which will entails leads that will be coming in to your autoresponder. In the page builder, you have up to 10 page building uh, 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 parts to this system. You can build a page to 10 different programs, or you can make that one page advertise 10 different sites or 20 different sites. It's up to you once you start building your pages. You'll have a pop-up creator. You get 10 pop-up hosting included. Look at this. I mean, all of this is for free. Link tracker, unlimited with rotator, and that's something you're gonna enjoy. The rotator, the link tracker, rotator. You'll find out all about how to use that rotator inside and make money 4 ways. Some super easy and more. Read on to find out. So come on over here and read uh, the continue to read this. And here's over 300 plus testimonies. Can't be wrong. You got testimonials from different people, and they can't be wrong. You're talking about over 300 people that's telling you about Leadsleap and their experience. I've already logged in. This is just another tab. Let's go over to my back office. This is where it all happens right here. I come over, and most of the time I go down to my list and I click on it, and I see how many is in my list. It's 107. I haven't been in here long, but I have created a list, and inside of this list I have 107 subscribers. And I also can email those subscribers. Right here, I click on the email series. I have created an autoresponder through uh, uh, my list manager and through Leadsleap, and it will explain to you how to do all this. Up above each section, you're gonna, in the right corner over here, you're gonna have a tutorial, which you click on, and it will tell you step by step what it is all about and how to go about to set it up. Okay, so this is what I do. Excuse me. This is what I do mostly every day. and I enjoy doing it. I come over here, and right here where it say advertising, see, the most important thing is to advertise your program or your site. And you can do that free within Leadsleap. And I am a pro member right here. I'm a pro member. But even when I was, before I became pro, I enjoyed just being a free member. I came over here and I created a free ad right here. This is two of my free ads right here. And as you see, the total visits is 1,200. Excuse me, 1,291. And down here, in the last 7 days, I got 37 clicks. Right here, 28 clicks. And since I started to be a pro member, I'm not mostly concerned about that, but still, I do come over here and I see how many people has has clicked on my site. Right here is my site with the click engine. You can even put videos in here where a person click on your site and it will take them straight to your video. If you're trying to make real money online, you see that? See me right here? 148 views on this video alone. Skip the ad. There I am right there advertising my click engine site. So you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing and start getting clicks to your site. Excuse me. And right here's my postcard business. When people click on it, it's going to take them to my video. See? And my video would, under my video, would take them directly to my page and how I've created my page for them to watch the video of what I'm advertising. And then they watch the video, and down here they click sign up right there. See, it's so simple. You can set these up. You can set them up and forget them, but you have to gain clicks to your site. So the way you gain clicks to your site, you click on someone else's site. Right here, say surf and earn. You can even earn money by clicking on different people's site. Surf and earn members ad. All of these are different members inside of the Leadsleap. You click on one of their ads. Excuse me. And then you click to open a link in a new window, and their ad's gonna come up, whichever ad you clicked on, and then over here you'll see your total clicks and today's click, and how you will gain clicks on each site that you click on. When I say gain clicks, I mean you're gaining credit. Every site you click on, you should click 10 sites a day, and then you will get bonuses even when you click on more sites. All right, and that's what I do. I click on another site here. Just click on the advertisement. Click on the sites, and it'll take you over to it's a instruction from Leadsleap. The link should have open in a new window. If not, click this. You just click right here, click that tag. It will take you to that site, and you are gaining a click. It will tell you, it will give you a little plus sign on the number that you just clicked on. It will give you a little plus sign. That means that you've gained credits. So you get out of that. The little lady, and she's telling me surf 10 ads a day and earn daily active bonuses. Surf more and earn more. So I make it my business to surf at least 10 ads a day. Click on another one. And this is what I do in the morning time. I get up, I open up different ads, and I gain credits to my site where people will come and visit my site as I visit someone else's site. And it's up to your discretion if you want to check out the program other people are showing. But the most important thing is we already have a program or products that you are advertising. You have a website. you gain exposure to your site. That's the most important thing. This is a free system. I'm just showing you what I do each and every day. Leadsleap, I love it, and I'm a pro member. I click on post pro ads. This is the ads that I created since I became a pro member. And as you can see, I paused some of them, but I have some of them still active. Like this one right here. Last 7 days, I've gained 160 clicks. And so you can do the same thing. Just just start clicking on different people's site. You can click all day if you want to. The more you click, the more exposure you get. See right here, total visits 6,850 since I've started. So it's simple and easy. You join up. You can even create a review to tell people about the program that you're involved with. Excuse me. Like I told you from the beginning, you click on one of these sections over here, one of these tags over here. Review. If you don't know what it's about, go to tutorial right here. Click on it, and it would explain to you over here on this side what it's all about. So it's simple. Take your time. You don't have to be in a hurry. Take your time and come over and learn everything about how you can make even a commission from just showing other people this site and letting them join up once you have your affiliate link. Affiliate links and tools. Click on that. That's your resources. Click on tutorial, and it tells you over here why promote Leadsleap. How much can I earn? It's all this is told to you once you click on tutorial on each section, to keep me from trying to explain each section over here. Your daily active bonuses, credit encashment, and PPC earnings. Instead of me trying to explain all this to you, just click on one. Just like I was telling you about the tracking links. Track your links right here. Go to tutorial. Check it out. How to use Tracker. It's all here. It's all here for you. This is a free tool that you can use. And all you have to do is come over and create you a free membership. Down below this video, it's going to be a link to bring you to this page, which is my page. I'm an affiliate, which is my page. And click on that link. It will bring you over. Click this tab, get your free membership, and you're in. Start promoting like crazy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am Marlin Carter out of Dallas, Texas. And I will see you on the inside. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.